a tooth? Ow, it's sharp. Feel it.
Did you find a tooth, Ian?
Ow!
Oh.
Wow.
That's a real tooth.
Oh my goodness. Ian found a tooth.
Get all the rocks off it.
I bet you that tooth used to be longer. It looks like it's been like worn down from everyone. This is what I wanted to be when I was a kid, an archaeologist, but looks like a skull. Whoa, it goes down deep right here.
Whoa.
That's his sharp head, huh?
I feel something right here.
Sorry, I'm sleeping.
I'm gonna go ask them if they accept donations. I think I want to give them some money.
Okay.
Actually, we're too poor. Probably shouldn't. Let me go look. If there's a donation box, I'm gonna put a couple bucks in there. Because this is way too cool. Look, so we found some sort of skull head. So weird. What's this? What is this though? That doesn't make any sense. Oh my gosh. These are from the animals that used to live here. This is from a bone-crushing dog. Or look, a false saber-toothed cat.
Wow.
An orodont. What's an orodont? And a rhino. There used to be rhinoceroses here, Ian.
Oh my goodness. 12 feet long. Orodont. That looks like a half zebra, half like coyote dog or something.
Looks like Dumpy.
A false
Hey
saber
guys, let's do
tooth
this one.
cat.
What is this? Look at a square.
Wow.
Look at this one.
So cool.